A website promising a $500 Lululemon gift card just for completing a few simple tasks sounds almost too good to ignore. But that's exactly the kind of offer lemongifted.com is pushing. And it immediately raises some serious questions. The platform claims that anyone can unlock a free Lululemon PR package or gift card by entering an email address and completing just a handful of deals, usually around 2 to 5 offers. At first glance, the process appears straightforward. Sign up, finish a couple of quick tasks like downloading apps or filling out surveys, and then supposedly claim the reward. However, once you start exploring the system, it quickly becomes clear that the process is far more complicated than advertised. Instead of a simple path to a reward, users are sent through multiple layers of third-party offer walls that include app downloads, survey pages, promotional signups, and sometimes even trial subscriptions. Each step asks for more information, typically an email address, sometimes a phone number, and occasionally payment details if a trial offer is involved. Another issue that stands out is the lack of any official confirmation from Lululemon itself. There is no mention of lemongifted.com on the brand's official website or social media channels, which makes the promotion difficult to verify. Throughout the site, there are also several common marketing pressure tactics such as countdown timers, pop-ups claiming that someone in another city just won, and testimonials that appear designed to create urgency. According to reports shared online, many users who go through the offers say they never actually receive the promised gift card and instead end up receiving spam emails, promotional calls, or additional offers encouraging them to complete even more tasks. Because the entire system appears to rely heavily on third-party promotions and affiliate signups, the main benefit seems to come from users completing offers rather than from any confirmed reward being distributed, which is why anyone considering these types of promotions should proceed carefully and always research before sharing personal information online.